going on here? Tell us about this.
All right, so we got this brand new Bronco in here. He was here a while ago. I made a custom light bar.
Let's go check it out.
Yeah, mounts all 4 of those ARB Intensities up there.
Ooh, yeah, nice. This is all Atom Fab?
Yep, there's Atom Fab with the help of ARB's brackets there. And then a different pre-made bracket someone else made.
So how'd you make this like slight bend? How many is this, like 1, 2?
There's like five little bends in there.
5 little, that's pretty slick.
Yeah.
It looks nice.
Thanks, man.
It's like, it
then
follows the roofline, very nice.
Then I made all those weld-on mounts to bolt to that. They kind of flow and tie together a little bit.
Okay.
You wanted the lights to be as low as possible.
Yeah, well, I mean, they are. They're like a third of the light is kind of on the windshield.
That way it doesn't stick up above the roof and everything.
That's cool, I like that. That's slick.
So he liked it so much, he wanted me to make a front bumper to kind of match that.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna remove these, mount them down low.
Yeah, because this is a little much here up top. It like reminds me of like Mickey Mouse ears or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
And then it's gonna have a winch. With tubes going on.
Dude, this thing is nice though. Honestly, this is the Bronco that made me like the new Broncos.
This specific one?
This specific one.
Dang.
It's just like, it's white, it's chunky and small, but like beefy. I like it, I just dig it.
A bunch of little custom details
It's
to
just
it.
really clean. It's like an OEM plus little, you know.
Yeah. And it's about to look a lot cooler once I'm done with it.
Okay, so tell us, what's the plan? What are you thinking? What are you thinking?
So he wants to run a winch, so I'm gonna do like a plate section in the middle.
Okay.
With some tubes going out to the fenders there.
Okay.
Nice and low profile, close to the grill.
Dude, I can almost see it in your head. It's like, I can see the stinger right there.
You don't see the monkey clapping cymbals?
Get the lights.
Oh, hey, CJ, what's up?
Hey, what are you guys doing?
We're just making a YouTube video.
Not working. Step 1, what? Strip this down?
Yep, take that bumper off and then stare at it for a while until I come up with an idea.
Until the clapping monkeys are back?
Yeah. So the factory frame mounts were kind of goofy.
They had that little protruding rectangle?
Yeah, the frame stuck out past this plate and it only had 3 puny little welds. So I welded a piece right here to that and to the frame rail itself.
Right.
And then ground off whatever was sticking out. That way I had a nice flat surface to bolt this onto, which the bumper will be welded to, and then the whole thing can still unbolt.
Nice.
Then you got a beefy little mount to start out with.
Yeah, heck yeah. You guys just playing around.
I didn't get the toy. I got more
What
quarters.
the fingers do?
A little bit of that, a little bit of this. And
All right, Adam, what did you cut? Show us what you cut.
so you saw this getting burned out of there.
Damn, that's thick, dude.
1/4 of an inch.
Wow.
This here is gonna be the knife plates coming off in front of the frame horns there.
Okay.
A good amount of structure for this here winch plate. And then you may have seen the Moscow Mule's front bumper.
We didn't really like, they maybe seen a little here and there, but.
Dang, you didn't do a video on the Moscow
No,
Mule
I've
yet?
been telling Dimitri.
Oh, that's CJ. Where were we?
You were talking about something about Moscow Mule.
Yeah, you may have seen the Moscow Mule's front bumper.
Okay, we owe you guys, a rig check on the Moscow Mule.
Because this customer likes that bumper, and he wanted me to do something just like it.
Okay, well I
With
have
a little
footage.
bit of
I have some
difference.
footage, so I'll put a clip in here of that.
Okay. So you might have seen how it's like a whole boxed in center section with tubes.
Yeah.
So I pretty much used the same design with a few differences here and there.
Is there gonna be a tube coming from there?
Yeah, that's why I put that little thing on there. I'm gonna have a tube
It's
there,
gonna run along the bottom
here, and there.
And they're all gonna come together?
Yeah.
Like a nice trifecta?
Yeah, they'll meet right over there in the corner.
Sick.
Something like that, man.
Okay, so what's up? Did I miss some stuff?
Yeah.
Fill me in. These guys get mad every single time I turn off the music. How dare you? How dare you? Whoa, bro, that is sick.
Pretty neat, huh?
That is more than pretty neat. I like that.
Got some plates in there.
I like this whole like, this is really clean.
Yeah, gives a little edge for structure, and then also
really nice.
I'm gonna make a big cap plate, so this will give me room to bolt. Check this out.
That
the
is
fairlead is
sick,
recessed inside there.
That is sick. That is so clean.
Get a side profile, look how thin it is.
That's so clean. That's really nice. I like that a lot.
Yeah, I had to make another, basically a fairlead mount in there. It's kind of hard to see, so it is
hard to see with
farther back. There you go. Otherwise it'd be sticking out like that far.
Dude, this is nice. I'm digging it.
You want one, dude? I'll print out another one for you.
Yeah. I actually wouldn't mind this on the Monty.
Really?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Depending on the frame mounting placement.
Yeah. Well, I'm saying like this style, this like style is little.
Yeah, if anyone's looking for the same one, I can print out another one.
What kind of printer do you use?
CNC plasma table.
Be careful, you might run out of ink.
Oh no. We're gonna need more plasma, wherever you find that.
Science rules. Adam, the science guy. Adam. Look who it is.
I've returned. Who else is gonna take the trash out?
Whoa, you're making a custom gauge cluster?
Yeah.
That's sick.
So this is gonna be that.
It's gonna be a digital gauge?
That top cap plate we were talking about.
Yeah. Hey, what are you doing over there?
Oh, my eye. Oh, she's here?
Ooh! Let's go see what's in. Oh, snap. Yo.
Bro, even the salad, the salads are so delicious.
I'm doing arts and crafts.
Lights the box on fire.
Yeah, for real.
Take the cider's ass.
One more, yeah, people see it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you.
You can't tell us.
Yeah.
It slipped in the cards.
Thank you guys, thank you.
He's like, I wish I
That was
would
definitely a
come back.
surprise.
Yeah.
Time to take a chance to fly, feeling like I'm 10 feet high. Nightmares call, you can't deny. Better find a place to hide. Time to take a chance to fly, feeling like I'm 10 feet high. Nightmares call, you can't deny. Better find a place to hide.
That's super clean. I like that a lot.
Pretty slick, huh?
I really like that.
Look at this though, man. Fitment
Yeah,
daddy.
yeah. Fitment daddy.
Super long notches.
This guy's eyeballs are just like, eh.
Yeah.
And look at that.
I've been doing tube work long enough to know how to do it by hand. Yeah, it looks pretty good, huh?
Yeah, a lot cleaner than the first one. I was watching you fish out those pieces.
Yeah.
You really know what you're doing there.
Yeah, that's when my girl asked, where do you learn to do that one thing? That's for digging out pieces of metal.
Thank you, plasma table. I see you were messing with the
So as you can see,
the files for a little while.
Yeah, got the skid plate cut out. It's gonna connect the front of that bumper to that little tube I made on the bottom there. That way it'll kind of flow and tie into the factory skid.
A little quick mock-up.
Little quick mock-up, huh? This thing's gonna go like that.
Nice.
To that one.
Yes.
So it kind of flows a little bit.
Yeah, that's gonna look clean.
Don't tell Dimitri, but I think this one looks better than.
Oh, dang!
But
Shots fired.
shots fired.
So I wanted to come grab you before I pull it all apart and start welding it.
Yeah.
The bumper's all complete.
We were struggling with the skid plate a little bit yesterday.
You don't have to tell them that.
Why
Leave
not?
that shit out.
No, hold on, bro.
Wool up, just wool up.
This is a custom design and fabricated bumper from scratch, so that's kind of part of the process. We weren't satisfied the first time, so what happened? You just made a second little iteration. That's totally okay. No
I revamped it a little bit to make it fit better.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that.
It's bigger.
Look at that. We got the mule bumper on the Bronco. How about that?
Bro, I don't know.
This one's even cooler though.
Yeah, hey. Mule bumper's cool and all, but this one blows it out of the water.
It is.
I like this one a lot. I think this thing looks pretty sick.
I like it. It looks super complete. One of a kind for sure.
Yo. This is sick. I know I keep saying this in this video, but it's sick.
Good.
I like
That's a
it.
good thing. Thank you.
I mucho like it.
All right, that's it, boys.
You ready to weld?
Yeah. Some welds here and there, some grimes, some things and stuff.
Grinding for the gram.
Yeah. I'm not concerned with how a lot of these are going to turn out because they're getting ground anyways. Oh dear.
Someone's yelling.
Kangaroo man. Right.
Kangaroo man, kiss the kangaroo man. Yeah.
Kangaroo song, kangaroo!
I'm a singing
Boy.
kangaroo and I'm from far away. I like to hop all day.
Hit it, boy. Did you get lost?
Oh, didn't know if you were right.
Lost in the sauce?
Yeah.
Looks like you already did a lot of welding there, Adam.
Yeah, I'm fixing to weld a little more now.
You gonna do these bad boys right here?
Yeah. Both sides.
Both sides. Not both, both sides.
Yeah. You ready?
Yes, sir.
That's how you know you've gone as far as you can. When it starts popping like that at the end, because the wire can't reach it that well.
Oh. Damn, dude, this is nice and square. Look at these edges, boy. What's up?
I haven't rounded those off yet, but it's gonna look like this bottom edge.
Man, I'm honestly really impressed by that edge. That's like such a sharp edge. You can cut yourself on that.
Yeah, that's how you gotta do it. You gotta grind them flat and create a sharp corner point, and then you come back with the DA once it's all leveled out, and you kind of roll it back and forth so it makes it like a smooth, not so sharp edge.
Yeah.
This thing's really good at showing peaks and valleys in the material, and once you can kind of see it leveled out,
The
once you
DA?
can get it.
Talking about the DA?
Yeah. It's a big flat surface. Spins around and oscillates. So once it's kind of leveled out and all the same finish on it, you can come back and hit the corners and edges. A lot of vibrating on my hands, man.
I know, it probably makes your hands itch hella hard, huh?
Not really itch, but like sore as fuck.
That was a natural reaction for him.
Just shove it in your mouth. Almost done it, man. Look at this though.
Oh my gosh.
Pallet grinding.
Fairy dust.
Make a wish.
Well, this thing is complete. It's all fabbed up. Plates are welded in. Caps are welded in. It's all buzzed down with a DA. Ready for powder coat and then final install.
Прошло 4 hours.
So last we seen this, it was what? Getting shipped off to
Yeah,
powder
it was
coat.
like yesterday or something.
Uh-huh.
Quick turnaround
It's
time.
really quick.
Yeah.
Bam! Back from powder coat.
Yep. Ready to assemble.
Ready to assemble. Got the winch, got the hardware.
Yeah. Something new you didn't see yet.
Oh yeah, you were welding up the sides.
So instead of chopping those crash bars off and capping
Wow, that is beautiful.
it, I removed the whole thing and did a miniature.
That's absolutely
body mount
awesome.
relocation.
I seen you welding over here earlier, but I wasn't sure you were doing. I thought you were just capping it off like we discussed.
Yeah, I was going to, and then I realized how much time I was wasting because the whole thing gets cut off pretty easily.
Dude, that is what's up. That is so much cooler.
Dude. Yeah, you can see it on the camera.
That's a nice touch. I like that.
Yeah.
That's sick. Okay, well, here, let me set the camera down and let's try to get the bumper on there.
Okay. When it's hanging, we'll get the winch in there. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's flush with the back of the neck. It's not turning like at all. Yeah, it's going.
Good thing we have our boy Ozzy over here doing all the electrical work, putting everything together.
It's gonna torque everything down.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it torqued?
No, it's almost torqued.
It's almost torqued?
Yeah.
It looks like you're doing a pretty good job.
Oh yeah, this is a special Ford one. So for the upsizing.
Special Ford
I
work.
can get all the torques out of this.
Doing great, bud.
Thank you.
The handoff.
Thanks, man.
Man,
What do you think? Did it turn out cool?
I think it turned out great, dude.
Yeah, me too.
Looks awesome. Are you happy?
Yeah.
You content with yourself?
It looks like when you'd buy in a store.
It looks pretty damn good, man.
It looks even better out here than it did inside.
It does, it does. Now that it's out in the natural lighting.
Yeah. Seen a lot of Broncos out there lately, but none of them have that on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want one of those, you know where to find us.
Yeah?
I'll print out another one.
You'll print one out, you just hit
Yeah.
hit print
Pretty much, that's how it works.
on your plasma printer.
Yeah.
Okay, well, here it is, the final shot right here. Oh, we didn't show him the SB, yo, the skid, the skid.
You saw the skid, right?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Did you already peel off the?
Yep.
Ah, you peeled
Both
off the little.
stickers, man. That one and on the winch controller.
Okay. Okay. Well, that's a wrap for this one, guys.
Yeah.
Give it a thumbs up. Love for the Bronco.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Talk shit about us, whatever you want to do. It's cool.
That's gonna come regardless. You don't have to
Yeah.
ask him for that.
Come standard.